Going back home. Bye bye. Drop the bag in the bag. So going back home na guys. Last. No more. Back to reality na. At ibibigay ko lang tong key. So key return. Thank you for staying at Rivers Ocean Grove Motel. Bye bye. And that's it. We're going home. And this is where we stay. So, good morning everyone! Pauwi na kami tapos ng aming holiday. Everyone is ready to back home. Babo, are you ready to back home now?
Yes.
And are you ready to go back to school? Huh?
Yes.
Do you miss all your classmates and teachers? How about my baby girl? So, bago kami uwi is we'll pass by at waterfront. We are already at Geelong. Is there any parking lot for us? Is it still full? Looks like it's full already. Still 11 o'clock. Ferris wheel.
We came prepared this time.
Huh?
We came prepared for the beach this time. Yes.
Is that?
We're going home today. We got perfect.
Oh no. Full pack. Very, very pack. But we remember we got that side.
We passed this area when we were going
Ikot mo na, ikot. Ikot lang si Westfield. Oh. I like this building. It's Westfield. It's a mall, but the building is old, and I like that. Is there any space here? Space here? Oh, see. Go up. So dito kami makatambay muna bago kami uuwi. Latag-latag muna si mother dyan. At ang aking little boy ay maliligo. And of course, Baba. Si maligo. Mama naka-attire din ng paligo.
Dahil ang mag-fight lang.
Ang aga-aga pa. Tingnan mo, ang dami ng tao.
Dahil mag-fight.
Ang aga-aga. Ang dami ng tao.
Ito ka mag-fight. Umaga ka na.
Then, Serafina eating banana. We're eating banana. And ganyan yan si Lola. Where is Lola? Where's Lola, Baba? Where is Lola, Baba? Ayan, nag-survey muna yan si Lola. Saan ka ang toilet? Unang-unang first thing na i-check ni Lola is pag nag-picnic kami is toilet. Ayan, nagkaangkaang na si nagkaangkaang na si Mother. Ayan, mahirap na pag tumanda na kasi. Mahirap na umakyat si Mother. Ayun si Mother. Ah, look at the train! The carousel! Carousel!
Tikyaog na.
The carousel!
Katumubo nga yung kuranan.
Train! Train! There, my
Ay,
love.
ano
Where's the
nato,
train? Train is coming. The Waterfront Express. Carousel. Ano natin to?
Ano ba dito?
Yung 2 years old yata si Rianda. Bago mag-pandemic ma. Nandito na tayo ngayon.
Ano ito? Hindi mo dito ilago?
1 hour away lang to sa...
Ha?
1 hour away. 1 hour or more than 1.5 hour.
Padong Melbourne.
Padung sa atin.
Padong sa atin? Mo ba?
Nandito na kami nakatambay. Time check is...
Late banana!
Time check pa ba is 11:30 I think.
Oh, sige.
Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na. Pauwi na. Tingnan mo ang kapark. Kung saan sana nakapark.
Lagi? Basta lang gusto.
Saan na nakapark.
Masyado.
Oh.
Diba? Delikado ba naman ang ginawin? Saan mag-park? Medyo naman, seryo.
Oh, tingnan mo, nakababag na si Hammer.
Wait.
Ah, ito din. Si Skoda. Chismosa. Ah, si Chismosa. Ayun na. Ah, tingnan mo. Free. Free here.
Eastern Park Circuit turns left and becomes Garden Street, then turn right onto Park Street.
The street is like that. It's very confusing, no?
Turn right onto Park Street. Making U-turn at Byrie Street, C123.
Your turn. Geelong High School. So ito yung Geelong High School. At alas 3 na ng hapon ay wala pa kami pangyaugto. At maghahanap kami ng restaurant na makainan. So we're going to the Asian restaurant. So, pauwi na pala kami nito guys at ako na rin ang nag-drive kasi nga gusto ng habibi ko ay rest daw siya kasi throughout the 3 days papunta pa lang doon at nagstay kami ng 3 days sa Ocean Grove ay siya na nag-drive all over the place. So, this time I decided na I'm gonna drive back home. So, hindi na rin ako nag-picture doon sa, sa Chinese restaurant kung saan kami kumain. At, tuloy na kami umuwi kasi, dahil siguro, hindi ko na-picturean at hindi ko rin naisip kasi gutumis na ang aking mga anakis at of course, kami. Imagine mo naman is 3 o'clock kami kumain. But, before that, ay mayroon naman kaming kinain before na alas 3. Nagbaon din kami ng itlog, nagbaon din kami ng budbud at tinapay. So, mayroon kaming pang tulay bago talaga sa tanghalian namin. So, this is it. Nasa bridge na kami ng bridge to ng city, guys. So, enjoy! I'm the driver. So, I'm the driver to the guys. It's going back home. I'm the driver. And look at that view. Nice view. But the pink river, pink lake is there, right?
Can you see the smoke haze
Yeah.
background?
Still have a fire?
Yeah.
That is, it's not so bad now, yeah? Later on it will be traffic, so traffic. Later at night. Time check. What is the time now?
5:33.
5:33. 1 hour up later. There will be a traffic.
Breakdown.
What's this? Ah, breakdown. Ahead.
So exit. Get out of the train. That's our lane.
Breakdown somewhere there, 3.3 kilometers.
Oh.
Overspeeding. No, no, no. Otherwise, it's too expensive to pay. Not like in Philippines, no? You can pay under the table. In Philippines, money talk. You cannot bribe police here. You will be in jail. Just in Philippines, if you don't bribe, then you will be in trouble. So it's an opposite way. City. No hotel. So not so bad. Not so bad now.
Get out of that lane. How did you land on this lane?
I don't know.
Because
I just
keep
followed the
that-
lane.
No, you didn't.
Tunnel's coming up. Let's go in. So we're not allowed to change lane, guys, here inside the tunnels. And because we are inside the tunnels, if something happened, then it's gonna be this stuck. There's no way
Oh,
out.
the lights are changed to blue now. It used to be
Ah, green.
green. There's our blue line.
And then
Slow down, you're going fast. The blue line lets you down.
sloping.
See, you've gone past the blue line. Our blue line has disappeared. Bring it back up.
It's 80.
Slow down. So it'll catch up. No way, it's gone. There's a camera in the middle, okay? is the over-speeding driver. So the
No.
police looking for someone, here's the
Oh,
fence.
I'm the behave driver. Never have fine yet, no?
Right.
For how many years now? For 7 years I've been driving. Pag uwi namin ay sad ang aming nadatnan. Kasi yung aking plans ay aywan ko kung tinulak o tinulak ng hangin. Ayan.
I already cut 5 branches that way on the
Tinulak siguro ng hangin o tinulok ng tao.
What is this speaking?
Wait, hang on. So, at nagdilig kaagad kasi 3 araw ay wala kami dito. At bukas ay 49 degrees. The hottest day. Kaya kailangan nating diligan ang ating halaman. At tingnan mo ang aking bruha. Ganyan. Ganyan. So that's it, our trip, our 3 days holiday, and I hope you enjoy watching, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye and enjoy your day. Bye. Yeah. Ang aking lemongrass doon. Kaya dali-dali talaga ako guys, watering. So, naalala ko yung aking mga halaman.
Let's go to put for the thumb and the